Okay. Now, now we can start. Uh, okay. That first one is the uses permission. That what type of permission we need? That this is the SMS. Okay, SMS application. So send application you can use send SMS. So that permission you need. Okay. And another application that send SMS. Similarly, you can use the receiving application receive SMS. Okay, send SMS. Another one is the receive SMS. Receive SMS. These two permission you need to add into the manifest file. Save it and go to the button. This permission that is the this permission. Leave it. Later we'll see. Okay, first we design the this GUI, and GUI contains text, edit text. Okay, first one is the plain text. Another one is the okay, and make it Android orientation 30. Okay. First one is the this is the text horizontal, and this ID is edit text. Text you can give write your write text here. Okay. After that, there should be one number. Number maybe before of this or after of this. That depends on you. Where you a number. Okay. That number as a text you can put. Okay. This number. If you want to put it into above of this, you just put here. No problem. You can see this. Okay. That is the horizontally. You can put it horizontally, or if you want to that means one by one, you can put it vertical. You can put it so vertical. Okay, that is, I think, remove the weight. These two you can remove. Okay. And ref content, or you can give the match parent also. Match parent. Similarly, here also match parent. Match parent. Okay. Now you can see. That's why it's so many large. Okay, height is match parent. Put it ref content then. Okay, put it ref content. No. make design your own convenient. And one button, put one button, and give the name of that button as a send. Send button. Okay, now we'll go to Android manifest. We change here, but add some suppressed tool. It's already there. They are saying okay, no problem. Okay, this is the now I will go for the Java code. In Java code, what are the first thing that we need to identify? There are three views, so we need to take three views. I'll take three views first. Okay, first one is the edit text. That is the edit text. Edit text T1, comma T2, because you can see this one number and text both are edit text. Okay, but input type are different. One is the input type number, another one input type is the text. Okay, text per name. That's why you can use both are edit text, and another one is the submit button. That is the button. Button, suppose button sent. Okay. Next, first we need to identify how to identify the first one is the T1. T1 equals to that edit text, cast it first, then find view by ID, and what will r dot id dot. Okay, T1. What is the T1? T1 is the number, and this is the edit text 2. T1 is the number. Okay, or in place of this one, you can write as a number and another number. It will be better to understand. Number and another one is the text. Okay, so number equals to r dot id dot edit text 2. Similarly, the text equals to that one also edit text and find view by ID r dot id dot edit text. You can check it. Edit text. Second one is the edit text. Third one is the button. Okay. Button send. That is the send. Send equals to that is the button type. And find view by ID. Find view by ID r dot id dot button. Okay. Now what I will do, when I will press send button, that text message will be sent to that number. Okay, so I'll set on click listener. Will set on click listener send button send dot set on click listener. Okay, new view dot on click listener. Now within this on click, we'll write down the our functionality that how to send the SMS. Okay. For that, we need to first we need to write one SMS manager. SMS manager. Okay. SMS manager. Suppose SM manager. SMS manager equals to SMS manager dot get default. Then SMS manager dot send text message. Okay, send text message. Now what message I will send? I'll send what is the text message? First one, there are some 4 parameters are there. Okay. In this function, there are 4 parameters. You can see here. First one is the destination address. SR address, source address, then text string, then delivery intent. These two, all these two are null. Okay. So I'll write one by one. First one is the text message. Okay, that is the first one is the text number. Number dot okay, just wait. The first one is the text message. So text dot get text. Number dot get text, comma get text dot to string, comma null, comma text. Now this is the destination address. Okay, this is the destination address, and as we are getting this address, this one text, a number as a text or string, that's why you have to write that get text dot to string. That one is the string. Okay, next one is the what is the text dot get text dot to string, comma null, comma null. So five total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parameters are there in send text message function. Okay, and that message is responsible to send the message. Now, if
Sir,
it yes,
sir, SMS Manager class already exists in the Android Studio.
that is exist in the Android Studio. If you see, that is the Android telephony in SMS Manager in this package.
Okay,
Correct.
sir.
In this package, you need to import. And if you
Okay.
write this SMS manager, you will get the underline, red underline for error. And if you include that package, it will remove the error. You can remove
Okay,
that
sir.
error. That okay. Next, after SMS manager, okay, now it will be sent to the SMS. Now you can write it that okay, that toast dot some message that okay, message has been sent for your understanding. Okay, dot say make test. First one is the get, okay, first one is the get application context, comma the SMS sent successfully, or SMS sent success. Okay, whatever you can write, that sent success, comma that is the post dot length long dot so. Now you can run this one, because only this portion is only these two lines. That first one is the define the SMS manager, and second one is the for send text message. You need to use that send text message, that function. Okay. Now if you run this one, and mind it, as it is a real-time message sending, obviously that message sending depends on the means your operator. That cost means charge will be, they will take some charge. So that depends on your operator. Suppose you are using, suppose your SMS sending SMS is free, then it's free. Otherwise, if you use Airtel or some operator, depends on the operator, they will charge. Okay, and another thing, after installing, you need to give permission. Okay, where it's given to permission, that I'll show you. First, you need to install it in your mobile. Okay, you can run in your mobile application, mobile real-time device, because EBD takes some time. You are seeing that taking a lot of time. Okay, okay. First, you just see, uh, wait for installation. Then we need to give application a permission from here. Okay. After installing, you have to give permission. Then you can easily find out. First, wait for installation. And if you get error, any error, you can put this portion into try and catch. If you are getting in your machine, you are getting some error. Suppose someone not using the telephony, okay, then you can get some error in this portion maybe, and for that you can use the try catch. Okay, that I will show you. First, you need to install it.
Sir, uh, how can we decrease our app size? Like we are creating a project, then it will be already 18 MB. So how can we decrease the app size?
App size means app size.
Yes, sir. MB decreasing.
API size, sir.
Application size or what is app size? App size I don't know. Application size, that if you use some suppose in resource file, if you use some suppose images, that images you need to compress or you need to remove and use lightweight images like here.
Sir, how
Suppose,
can we use lightweight images? Because if we need HD images, so its quality or high, then
no, no. In that case, you need to use that application that connected with the database. Suppose some database stores that image, you are giving the link only. No need to store that images into your application. You just retrieve that application. Send
okay,
that image. Okay.
okay,
It
yes,
will,
sir, yes, sir.
then it will be created lightweight because you know that Flipkart or Amazon or whatever that e-commerce site is there, they are not importing their image into the application.
Yes, sir.
If they import their images into the application, then what happens? That it will take a lot of size. That
Yes,
is
sir, yes,
general
sir.
concept. But they what they did, they store all the images into some location and they give that location path in the application or some database, that database path they are giving. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay, this is the application. Now, what happens before making this one means sending some data? What I'll do, I'll hide this application, go to the settings. Okay, permission, application notification. Okay, you can see there is application, SMS application. Click on that. Click on the SMS application. Now permission, that no permission granted here. Okay, you give permission, click on that and you click on SMS. Clear? That means what? I am giving this permission, SMS permission. Now, and after giving this SMS permission, you can again you can open the SMS application and you can run. And if you run your real device, you can easily you can see that the SMS originally sent to some number. If you put some number, and it will work. Okay. Suppose I'm sending some number. Suppose my number 786803497, and suppose I'm writing some text here. Hi. Okay, you install in your machine, in your real device, give permission, then you put some data, definitely it will work. Okay. Now suppose hi. No, send it. Look, here it is written send success. Okay, that means what? It's originally sent to my message. But this is virtual device. No operator is connected. That's why it will not work. But if you install in your real device, it will definitely work. Okay. Now another thing, that suppose somehow, how can you understand that SMS originally sent or something happens in between or some fails occurs? For that you write here try then catch, and that catch contains exception suppose E, and within this uh, and then you can write okay, if it is successful then it will send. If any error occurs in between this block, then I will send one error message. What is the error message? That send fail. Okay. Now, how to test this one? That okay, SMS sent failed. Okay. Again, run it because it changed the application. Go to the application and suppose SMS application, the permission. Suppose I uh, inactive this permission. Okay. Now after installing, without giving permission, if you suppose sending data, that means what? It will fail because I am not connecting with any operator. Okay, or I'm not taking any permission. Then what will be the output? You see here. Uh, Today there is a lot of disturbance. Next class I'll open this application or Android Studio before the start of the class. Okay, everyone, you run this project in your mobile and check it and tell me whether it is working or not.
Working, sir.
It will work. Okay, fine. Okay, now it's installing. Okay, installed, and I already closed the permission. Okay, now I am suppose sending the now, and suppose I've sent now. Okay, now I'm sending. You see, it's given sent failed. That means what? There is no operator is connected with this, or I did not taking any permission. That's why it's given failed. And now if you give the permission and run this one again, it will obviously send, data will be sent. SMS application permission, and you give the permission and then open the SMS application. Now open the SMS application, and now I'm sending data. Now see, send success. Clear. This is the SMS application. Similarly, we'll do the for the phone call also. For phone call, first is the that permission. Permission is the uses permission. What permission? That phone call. Call phone. Okay, phone call or call phone. This permission you need to add. Now, what will be the GUI for that? The GUI is the only one number will be there. One number will be there, and one calling button will be there. Correct. So one number was there. I'll not change that one. I'll remove the text. Okay. And in place of button, I'll put one image. Why? Because calling that is the one image type. Okay, I will not use the submit button. You can use submit button, that is not a problem. But another way we will just see how to do. Okay, suppose one image I will put. Okay, first what I will do for putting image. Suppose I am using image button. Will not use image button. We'll put image view. Okay, we'll put one image view. Okay, first putting in image view, first go to the drawable, right click on that. Right click on that, new, you create one image asset, a vector asset. Click on that, and you can see if you click on this clip art or clip art, if you click on that, you can see a lot of icons will come up. Okay, in vector asset, mind it. Now I will find out calling application, call. Okay, take this one. Okay, click OK. Next. Finish. Okay. Now you can see that in drawable some another person came here. Now if you want to change this color, okay. The first one, image view. I'll take image view. Okay, I'll take one image view. Okay, and what will be the IC call? This one. What is the name? This one. That IC called 24 pixel. Okay, this one I will take. Now, if you take this, what is the image? This is the image. What is the color of that image? Suppose black. In this case, black. Suppose you want to change the color. Go to the image, change the color here. Okay. Suppose you want to put green. Green means what? Red, green, blue. So green, blue. It will come green. Okay. Or you can take deeper green, lighter green, any one. Okay, this one. Then you go to the image. You see that comes under green. That is the image view. Okay, now that is enough. Now what will be the code for that? How many views are there in the activity? Two views are there. One is the edit text, that is the number. Another one is the image view, that is the calling symbol. Okay, so I'll take two object. One is the number. Another one that is not a button, that is the image view. Image view. Okay. Now number is okay now, but this text was not there. Send button was not there. So what I'll do? I'll do image view. Sorry, that is the image view, small image view. Image view equals to, I'll first it image view, find view by id, r.id dot, we check what is the name of the image view, id to the image view, id of the image view was image view, simply image view. Now if you click on the image view, then action will be fired. So in place of send, I'll write image view dot set on click listener. Image view dot set on click listener. Clear? Image view dot set on click listener. Now what will be the operation on that? Okay, that I'll write now. And before that, I'll remove all the codes that was written previously, because that was for SMS. Okay, this was for SMS. I'll remove this code. Now within on click, I have to write down the code. Now what? Okay, first I'll take the number. Okay, first I'll take the number. Okay, suppose string, that is the written number. Okay, number 1 equals to, suppose, number dot get text dot to string. Okay, that one you need first you take. Now I'll check whether that number is correct or not. Okay, first you need to check if, or suppose someone given, suppose in between that text you given, suppose some space or some other character, that things you need to remove, or you need to take care, otherwise it will give error. Number 1 dot, that trim function will remove the spaces in before and end, that spaces it will remove. And dot trim dot length obviously you can give equals to 10. Okay, because 10 digit number, you know that every number is 10 digit number, then it will work, otherwise not. Or someone can give that greater than 0, it can also work. That depends on you how you are doing code. Okay, I'm giving suppose greater than 0. That means if someone given suppose 3 digit number, phone number, that also work for that, but it is not true. So I'll write here equals to 10, then I'll write. Okay, now what I'll do here, I'll some checking is there, that is not required now. Okay, first I'll write down the direct code. I'll not check now, later I'll do. Okay. The string, suppose, okay, what is the number, the dial number we need. Okay, suppose dial equals to that you need to write this one, the telephone, that is the concatenation with the number 1, NUMBER 1, number 1. Okay, this is the dial number. Sorry, this is the one. Then start activity. New intent dot action call, comma, that is the u URI dot parse, that is the dial, that is the number. ब्रैकेट एक्स्ट्रा हो गया क्या ब्रैकेट. This is for dial, this is for intent. Dial intent activity. Now it is correct. Okay, now you can run this one. First one, you create the dial number and you start the activity. Okay, now if you run this one, again mind it, you need to give permission, because again phone call, that call phone permission, you are taking permission, that permission you add into the application, otherwise it will not work. So okay, first install the application, give the permission, then we'll dial, and you check in your mobile, means real device, and you can check it. And here we are given that if this one, then you can else portion you can also write. In else portion you can write that post dot make test, that get application context, comma, that enter correct number. If the number is not equals to, means what, length is not equals to 10, okay, then you should enter the correct number. May suppose someone enter 5-digit number, someone enter 9-digit number. Okay, so for that you can write this one. Okay, next one, enter correct number. Next one is the toast dot length long dot. So this one. Okay, and you install this. Now it is going to install. You see. Okay, this is the GUI. If you click on this image, then call will be placed. If you put some number. Now before that, first we need to give the permission. Okay, later we'll see how to give that self permission. Means every time we should not go to the settings and will not check this one. Okay, means give the permission every time. It automatically it will take the permission. Okay, that one next we'll see that. Okay, permission, that was SMS permission we already given. Now we'll give the phone permission. Okay. Now after giving this phone permission, now you open the application. Okay. Now suppose I am writing some number. Okay. Now if we press here, suppose this is the 4-digit number, I am pressing this. Correct, enter correct number. Okay. If you give 10-digit number 8986803497, this is the 10-digit number. Now you dial number. Okay. Now you can see the call will be placed. Now call will be placed here. Okay. That is virtual device. That's why it is saying like that. If you work on real device, it will work properly. This is the simple calling application. Okay. If we give suppose 9-digit number, press here, enter correct number. Okay. Or in another way, you can also represent that this is not a correct number. I have given in toast message. Suppose you can put into a loop until you get the correct number. The call will not be placed. Okay. Correct, everyone. These two application. First one is the SMS application. For SMS application, send SMS or receive SMS. That two permission you need to add into the Android manifest. Second one, you need to design the GUI. Third one, you need to write the program for the main activity. Means in Java file. And what is the main concept? Main concept is if we click on that some button or image, the SMS will be sent or call will be placed. Now to send the SMS, if you click on the image, that means what? Within one click, we have to write the accept that enter code. Okay. For that, we just use for sending SMS. We used the send SMS, and we SMS manager, not send SMS. We used SMS manager and send SMS, send text SMS text message. That function we used for sending the SMS, and there are 5 parameters. First one is the destination address. Second one is the null. Third one is the actual SMS that you want to send, and fifth is the null. Okay, that is the structure or syntax of the send text SMS. Similarly, for the sending, for call application, similar things. We first check whether the number is correct or not, means 10-digit numbers or not, or you can give more accurate checking that number should not be start with 1. Okay, that you need to check. That checking portion you can do in this course, in this area. Okay. Now, if number is correct, then you create one dial. You can create one dial number. That dial number means that contains the tail. This string you need to add with the number. Okay, and then start activity. New intent.action call, and that it will parse the dial number. Clear? That is the main only. This is the important line. Okay, this is the important line for sending. Means placing call, and for the case of SMS, that was the SMS manager and send text message. These two. That's all. Okay, and this is all about the for next module, third module. In third module, what we did that calling application, SMS application, Wi-Fi. Okay, another one is the Bluetooth is remaining. That okay, we'll complete in one class. Bluetooth. Okay. And what is the another one? That SMS calling. What was the another one? Wi-Fi, and then now see in this third module, whatever we are using means we are getting taking permission from the Android manifest, means we are accessing some hardware. That's why that third module that hardware related work we are doing here. Okay. that list of program. Okay, then you just see the her module, what are the things we did, and then you next morning, Saturday, coming Saturday, from 10:30 to 11:30, I'll take another one class. Okay. Okay, and that is the intent. Intent. One is the intent, second one is the Wi-Fi, third, fourth calling messaging. Okay, and Bluetooth in one class we'll use the Bluetooth operation. Next class we'll do Bluetooth operation. Okay, now sorry. If you have any question, you can ask. And what is this? Please share the code of calling app. Okay, I'll share. I'll share. Okay, no problem. Or you can take from the slide. That slide it's written step by step. Okay, that what is the GUI, what is the code for GUI, what permission you need to take, then given the permission, then Java code. Okay, that slide you can take. That calling application is there, or using intent is there. Okay, or I'll share in this code. Okay, if you want, I now just I am sharing this. Okay, it will be better, I think. Classroom. Okay, and now you can ask. Otherwise, you write down yes in the comment box and you can leave. Okay, you can comment